Hi everybody, Summit Girl here with the first of this month's unboxings. Sorry it's been a while, but I haven't had anything to open or look at. Just a reminder, I'm visually impaired. I do use various implements for me to be able to see small details on objects, but sometimes I get things wrong. A lot of times I get things wrong. So if you see something that I have said wrong or that you want to debate down in the comments for funs, go ahead. Anyway, we got Stickii Club. This is the cute pack from the Stickii Club. There are 3 packs at the Stickii Club, and I've said Stickii Club so many times just now. This comes out to about $11 a month. It is a monthly subscription of stickers and stationery, and it comes in its own little sleeve, which is awesome because then I can put it in a little binder instead of having them all over the place. Alright, so this is the month of November. This came yesterday, actually. I'm probably going to upload this on Monday. So this came in Saturday. Alright. It's a little heavy this month, so I'm a little curious as to what's in it. Well, I guess everybody's curious. How about some extra light? There we go. A little better? I'm not sure if it's... I think there's a glare now. No, I guess this will be fine. We are not going to zoom. We're going to zoom out because that's proper. All right. So, first things first that we get out of this pack is the theme sticker. And the sleeve is kind of bent a little bit. Sometimes they come bent. You just got to smooth them out. And then everything's all happy, hunky-dory. Hunky-dory, there we go. There's a saying. Okay. Oops. What do we got this month? We have, obviously, Christmas. I need to come in a little closer. What is that? Holly Jolly. Okay. Holly Jolly. Oh my god, look at this little cat. Look at the cat. That's so cute. Is Santa a cat? Santa. That's not Santa. It looks like Santa, but it's a cat sitting on something red. For like a hot second, it looked like Santa, didn't it? Everybody's going to be like, no, no, it didn't. So, there's that. Okay. In our additional pocket, where we usually get stamps or stickers or paper clips, looks like we got a stamp. So what these are, they're meant to be placed on, they're sticky on the back of them, like a sticker. They're meant to be placed on a acrylic block, so that way you can use that to do the stamp without having to commit to having multiple stamps with wooden backs or rubber backs. So all you need is just one acrylic block, and then you could just take all these stickers and... That took way too long. Alright, one side of this comes off. Alright, it's that side. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. What do we have here? What do we have? Does anybody see it yet? Possibly a Christmas ball. Maybe it's backwards. No, it's a penguin. It's a penguin. Oh, but it has a Christmas ball. Okay. What is that, a little fish? Is that a fish purse? Why do you have a fish purse? Oh, because you're a penguin. But the antler ears, those are so adorable. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this. I absolutely love this. Okay. Those two were empty, so now we've got this one. And this seems to be the... No, it's not the heaviest item. I thought it was heavy. Something in here is heavy. I don't know. Maybe it's just my imagination. I have a wild imagination. No, I don't. It's a notepad with a few sheets. Not a sticky notepad, just a regular notepad. These are really good to throw into your purse for the month in case you need to write down notes. Let's see what we got here down at the bottom. Looks like... Actually, I think we've seen this artist before. I've been getting this for over a year now. And there's a lot of repeat artists, which I love because then I get to see some of my favorites. Those are so cute. I believe that's a bunny. I've got low energy today. That's not good for videos. Alrighty then. Let's get to the stickers. And I think I understand the heavy part. There's something back here. Are these cards? Oh, is it a postcard? Oh. I have a love-hate relationship with these kind of packaging. I don't know if you noticed. Yeah, I have low energy today. Got it. Okay, so it's one postcard. Wow, it's a thick one. Oh, this is really cute, though. It's really thick. Like cardstock. Who made it? Bloop. Give me a little bit of zoom. Oh, okay. Bunny Dreams. Bunny Dreams. That's all that's on the back here. To probably be able to use it, you would put the stamp right here. The address of who it's going to goes right here. And your letter to them goes here. You don't have to put a return address label on postcards. It looks like you could like say, like in this space here, either write something in marker so it'll stay, or maybe put some stickers on there, you know, to send to somebody. But this is really super cute. There used to be a website, I don't know if it's still around, where you could send postcards to people all over the world. Oh! It's not a thick card at all. There's two cards. There's two cards. I got two cards. Okay. That makes more sense because it was a little thick for a postcard. This one here seems to have like a red border around it for this front. This one here. Oh, okay. That's actually pretty cool. That looks like a plate. Like maybe you could put like some food stickers on there or something. And it has the green background that we were looking at. Okay. Two postcards from Bunny Dreams. Awesome. Then I can send two postcards. I was in the middle of saying something. It's gone. All right. Moving on. Let's get to the stickers. Okay. We have our sleeve, which once again looks like it had been crushed in shipping. You know how it is. Post office. They got like all these nice advertisements right now. Okay, so looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's do a little zoomy so that I can see what's going on. More penguins. It's more penguins, which you know is the best. Okay. And I love the way that they draw penguins. Look at how much fun they're having. I would rather, like, you know, sit at home and enjoy the tree. They're all like, oh, let's go out. No. That's okay. It's perfectly all right. I think that's one of the maker marks here. One says Stickii.com. The other one says the person's name. Oh, this is the person's name. Oh, who did it? I love penguins. Look at that cute little hat. Okay. Next one. And these are full sticker sheets. Sometimes the website comes out with previous packs. Right now they're having it's a Black Friday sale for 2 weeks. I think it's 25% to 50% off on their website. Oh, this is Pusheen. Awesome. I love Pusheen. And some of the previous packs of all 3 packs are on it. I think you can get a percentage off. I still don't know the name of the sloth. I don't. And I can never remember the name of the other cat. I know there's Pusheen and there's Stormy, but then this guy, I don't know. And there's a pug. There's a pug roaming around somewhere. I love Pusheen. Okay, next one is cakes. They look realistic. Like the stickers look... Well, this one does anyway. It looks kind of... Maybe I'm wrong. Ooh. Ooh, is there some gold? Or something? Something. Yep, there's gold on it. I love a foil. I love a good foil. I don't know what that is. It's a cake, but to me, for a second, it looked like a trash bag. Oh, these are cute. Oh, these are so... They look delicious. Oh, and there's the name of the person that did it. I hope this is focused properly. Okay. Next, it's a clear one. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this around so that we can see. It looks like Bunny Gingerbread Man. That is cute. That is really cute. Oh, they're all cookies too. They look like cutouts or AP cookies, depending on what you call them. A lot of people call them cutouts though. And there's... Oh, that's the person that made the postcards. I bet you could put these on the postcard. That's probably what they're meant for. Because look at all the food. Like, I definitely, on the one with the plate, I would definitely do that. That would be so cute. Definitely cute. Alright, here we go. Another one. This one matches the note card. Oh, that's a cute little burb. I'm sorry, I call them burbs. Oh, look at that. Look at their faces. They look like they're so happy. Christmas is coming. I can't wait to decorate for my planner for Christmas. And these stickers are gonna help. Look at how concentrating he is. I gotta write my list. Santa's gonna get my list. It's so concentrated. This is the maker's mark there. Tiny cookie. Love tiny cookies. Okay, another clear sheet that has postcard type stickers, but these are not stamps. Like these are like they're stamp sized. My brain just went to a different place. Oh, look at that! It's sweater weather. It's sweater weather. These are cute. You gotta watch though, because these are not stamps. These do not equal. You know, you put this on an envelope and it's not gonna go nowhere, but back to your house. Back to your house. Those are cute. I love those. I absolutely love those. Okay, and the last sheet that's stuck to my mat. All right, what do we got here? We have got the cutest kitties that you ever did saw. You ever did saw. You hear that? I think these are the ones that were part of the stamp. Ever did saw. Oh my god, these are adorable, adorable. Get out of that box, kitty. I love on the tail there. No cat would accept that. Here's the maker's mark. No cat would accept that whatsoever. If you put something on its tail, it's going to eat you. Gonna eat you. Okay, there we have it. That's what we got in our StickiiClub.com package this month. 7 sticker sheets, a stamp, the theme sticker, which once again, if I hadn't said it before, the theme sticker is meant for you to either put on the sleeve in the corner so that you can figure out which sticker pack you have, or you can put it anywhere you want because there's 2 of them. And then the notepad, which is really nice. Also, and I almost forgot, our 2, because they stick together, 2 note cards. This is a really good haul for Christmas. This really is. Because not only do you get stickers, which can go into your planner or whatever you want, but now you can send out 2 letters and not have to worry about, you know, trying to find something to send a Christmas card or whatever, because now you have them, which is great, right? Right? Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Toodaloo.